This watch begins as raw fire.
Every surface is cut from gold, owned, alloyed, and perfected by Rolex itself. This isn't just assembled, it's engineered under obsession.
Here, time is not merely kept. It is engineered.
Every Daytona begins its life inside these walls, where nothing is outsourced and nothing is rushed.
This model carries racing DNA refined over generations.
This scale was designed for speed, not decoration. Legibility and balance are treated as engineering problems, not stylistic choices. $41,000. En sorin sen nogen vertically volsuing lyklus as lumsers to swirkelspigel fles sonazerst. Accuracy here is measured in tolerances smaller than human sight. This isn't marketing. This is the real manufacturing process behind one of the most disciplined watches ever made. Instance. Rolex produces its own gold alloys to control color, hardness, and longevity.
Our 18-karat yellow gold is engineered for strength, not softness.
Color consistency is measured across batches spanning decades.
Each ingot is chemically verified before being allowed anywhere near a watch component. Every visible surface begins as solid gold.
Internal structure determines how the case will polish, age, and resist deformation.
Sapphire ranks just below diamond in scratch resistance.
The sapphire crystal edge is beveled, ensuring optical clarity without distortion. Its matte black surface is laser engraved. Gold-filled markings contrast its fragile appearance with extreme durability. Even unseen parts are machined from solid gold, never coated substitutes. Comfort is engineered through millimeter-level articulation. Materials define the watch long before assembly begins. Only now, after materials are perfected, can true manufacturing begin.
Precision here is measured in microns, not millimeters.
The geometry of the lugs determines both their strength and comfort on the wrist.
Every hole must align perfectly with a movement not yet installed.
Polishing is staged, not rushed, to protect structural edges.
Human control still outperforms automation at this level.
Water resistance begins long before sealing. The precision of these threads is paramount. This chronograph movement was developed and manufactured exclusively for this watch.
Friction is the enemy, and jewels are the solution.
Each wheel tested for free rotation before the next is added. One imperfect gear halts the entire system. This single component defines the feel of the pushers. Smooth chronograph engagement is engineered, not felt by chance.
This part alone controls time itself.
A complex interplay of levers, wheels, and springs translates this energy into the precise, rhythmic beating of the escapement. The champagne gold dial is aligned and lowered with mechanical precision. Visual balance is verified under magnification. Misalignment here is unacceptable, even if invisible to the naked eye.
Tolerances for hand clearance are smaller than a human hair.
Now the fully assembled movement is lowered into the gold case, sealing engineering within luxury.
Tactile feel is calibrated, not subjective. Each screw is tightened to precise torque specifications, ensuring a perfect seal. Its flexibility is engineered, not accidental. Hundreds of steps converge into a single object.
Manufacturing ends here. But proof still lies ahead.
Assembly means nothing without verification.
Accuracy is measured across multiple positions, not just one.
Testing now for positional variance. Consistency is key. Stability matters more than speed.
Precision must survive extremes.
The watch disappears into a sealed water resistance chamber, gauges climbing steadily, sealing is tested without water touching the movement.
Failure here means complete disassembly.
The feel of these pushers must remain identikit, even after thousands of cycles of use. A decisive reset, returning to zero with unwavering accuracy. Comfort must survive decades, not months. We understand that for every piece of metal, perfection is defined internally. This superlative chronometer certification exceeds industry standards. Only now is it allowed to exist outside the manufacture.
This watch is designed to be worn, not displayed.
Legibility and elegance coexist without compromise. Even in gold, function remains the priority. Note the balance and weight distribution, designed for exceptional long-term comfort. A legacy of speed, a testament to control, the Daytona embodies the essence of motion, refined.
Ownership here is not about attention, but about understanding what it took to create this object.
This watch represents thousands of decisions hidden behind a flawless exterior. Appreciate engineering that speaks without explanation. Subscribe for more inside access to the world of high watchmaking.